All right, thanks for joining me today. This is Growth Dividend Investing using the Robinhood app with Joe Ball here. And we have an exciting video going for us today. I'm going to show you a couple of the buys that I made today, give you a little recap of my portfolio, and then we'll also go over the dividends that I'm currently tracking and things like that. So, like always, I'm not your financial advisor. This is not financial advice. Make sure you do your own diligence. This is just my journey. I'm documenting my goal to reach $100 a month in dividend income. All right, and then like always, I'm going to start the video off with a little video of my dogs here. This is Russell, the tan lab Weimaraner mix. Just relaxing on the couch today. All right, what a good boy. All right, and with that, we'll go ahead and get into it here. So this is the current Robinhood portfolio that I'm keeping. Currently sitting at $1,889. And for the day, I am up $24 or 1%. On the week, I am up $58 or 3%. On the month, I am up $174 or 10%. In the 3-month total, I am up $219 or 13%. And then for the year or the all time, I'm going to be up $234 or 14%. For people that are just catching this, I started this portfolio in February, March of 2020. So I have been in for under 1 year. So it's been about 3 months total since I've started this portfolio. So looking at the market today, I know there was a lot of speculation on what was going to happen. Was it going to go up? Was it going to go down? Based on some of the things, some of the riots and things like that that are happening in the United States. So when it opened, it went down a little bit, but right now, as of now, it's up almost 100 points. So when we're looking over my portfolio here, everything that I'm holding, nothing's really in the red. So there was nothing for me to cost average down. That's typically what I like to do. I'll look at companies that I'm already holding, and then I'll attempt to cost average my cost down. Say if I bought into, something, say Kelly Services, if I bought in at, $17 and now it's at 15, I could buy again, and then that would lower my overall amount that I was paying for the stocks for Kelly Services. Now, everything that I bought into for way cheaper. Uber is down a little bit, but that's a long-term hold, and I bought into it for around $30, so not really a very good cost averaging there. The one thing I did see that went down a little bit also that was a dividend. Verizon's down a little bit today. I thought about buying some of them, but I've got in at 54, so I'm going to hold off there. Cisco's down a little bit today also. But once again, Cisco I bought in a little bit cheaper, about $2 cheaper a share. So I'm not looking to buy any more Cisco currently right now. One of the things looking at my watch list here, if we scroll down, some of the different companies that I'm watching, a lot of them are green today. AbbVie's red. Know what that said? Still a little high for me. $90 a share is a little high for me. So looking farther down, a real good one that I heard about was going to be Pfizer. So Pfizer had something go wrong with the treatment or something like that, and they were down 8% on the day. So looking at Pfizer, it's currently sitting at $35.50. This is the 5-year graph on it. So you'll see they've been steady. And then this would be the year graph. That's what I normally like to look at when I'm looking at a company. That, amongst other things, but if I'm just giving a quick look over real quick here. And then we also have on the day, we'll see that it's down that 7% there. So right now it's down 7. It was almost down 8%. It's down $2.68 about that on the day. So what I did was I put in a limit buy for $35 a share on Pfizer. If we scroll down here, we can see a little more stats about it here. So on the day, it's already hit 34.91. It opened at 35.49. So the high today was 35.73. So $35 a share. I think it'll hit that before the end of the day, and I believe it'll get executed, and I'll get Pfizer for a pretty good deal here. When you look at the 52-week high, I mean the high has been $44 and the low was $27. So I mean that's not a bad price for some Pfizer. Now when I went ahead and plugged that into my portfolio here, currently I'm going to be sitting at $99.57 annually. So that's pretty exciting. That's with the 3 shares of Pfizer added in. So now I'm very close to getting to that $100 mark there. All right, and then the last thing I want to talk about was the dividends that I've received. So if we pull up here, you'll see I did get the payout from the SPHD, the 5 shares that I own for the $78. I got the payout from Apache, and I got the STIV payout. Still only have the 2 pending. I got the Prudential pending, and I got the ExxonMobil pending the payout. So no new ones have popped up yet. And I haven't got any new free stocks yet to open up. If you want to see me open up a free stock, you could look back to video 3. I'll actually put a link to it down in the description and in the comments, and go back, check that out. Pretty exciting. So all right, if you've made it this far, I want to remind you to smash that subscription button and that thumbs up button. Really helps me get ranked up there. All right, and don't forget, nobody said getting rich was going to be quick. Don't forget to live your dreams. Hope you like the video.